Hello teachers. Welcome to the Viksit Bharat Buildathon. In this video, we will see how a teacher can register and log in to the portal. To register, open the internet browser and click on the link mentioned in the description, which will redirect you to the home page of the website. On the website you have two options, register and login. As you are trying to register, click on register. This will redirect to the registration page. Enter your 11-digit school UDICE code. If you are unaware of your UDICE code, please inquire with your school's HM, principal, or administrator for the details. You can also get the details from Know Your School at udiceplus.gov.in. Agree to the terms and privacy policy to proceed. Next, provide your school information. Fill in the corresponding fields with your school details. Please cross-check the details you are providing, as the same details will be reflected on your certificate. Click on Proceed to continue further. Now, provide the teacher details. Enter your active email ID. Remember that you will be receiving an OTP to this email ID to verify your account. Mention your active WhatsApp number where we can reach out to you in case of any queries or support. Note that your password is system generated and will be the first part of your email ID, that is, before the @ symbol. Click on Send OTP. You will receive an OTP to the provided email ID. Once the OTP is entered, you've successfully completed the teacher or school registration. Take a screenshot or note down the login ID and password displayed on the screen. A confirmation email will be sent to your registered email ID with all the teacher registration details for future reference. Now let's see how to log in. To log in, go to the landing page and follow these steps. Click on the login button. You will be asked to choose whether to log in as a teacher or a student. Please select teacher. Now enter the login details. Enter the login ID and password that you've received during the registration process. Click on Remember Me to make future logins easier. Click on the Sign In button to enter the teacher portal. This video focuses on creating and managing teams. Once you log in with your user credentials, you will be taken to the main dashboard page. From the dashboard, you can access the Teams page in three ways. Either click directly on Teams in the menu bar, or click on the option that says Click here to create teams if you haven't created teams yet, or click on the redirect icon near Teams in the roadmap section. Once you are on the Teams page, you can create teams, view teams, edit teams, delete and swap students within the teams. To create a team, click on Add Teams and Students. You will be directed to a page where you can register teams and students into the program. Enter the details for the teams and students. Team name, use alphanumeric characters only, avoiding special characters like @. Team email, this can be any student's email. Now enter the student details. Enter each student's name, alphabetic characters only, age, disability status, class, and gender. You can remove a student if the team has only 2 members by clicking on the Remove button on the right side, above the third student details. No teacher should have 2 teams with the same team name, and a single team cannot have duplicate student names. That is, if 2 students have the same name in a team, make sure their surnames are added to their names to differentiate one from another. After entering all details, click Create Team to save the team configuration. After creating a team, you will see a list of all the teams created. Here, you can also view team login details, team user ID and password, which are auto-generated by the system. To view team details, click on the View icon. This will display information such as team name, team email, login ID, password, and the students in that team. To edit student details, click on the Edit icon, make the necessary changes, and then click Submit. If you need to add another student to a team, click the Add Student icon next to the View Team Details icon, provide the new student's details, and click Submit. The Change Team and Delete Student buttons are only enabled if the team size is at the maximum, which is 3 members. If you have 3 members in a team and wish to delete a student, you can click on Delete Student. However, if the team size is just 2, you cannot delete any student. Instead, you would have to delete the entire team, as a team must have at least 2 students. Therefore, if there are only 2 students, you cannot delete a student from that team. You can use the Change Team option if you have multiple teams under a teacher and want to move a student from one team to another. To do this, click on the Change Team option near the student you wish to move, then select the team that you wish the student to be moved to, and click on Submit. It's important to note that a student can only be moved from one team to another before the current team they are in initiates the idea. Once the current team initiates the idea, the student cannot be moved to a different team. As you start creating the student teams, you can see the progress in the dashboard. This will list the number of teams the teacher has created, the number of students the teacher has added to the program. If you wish to add more, you can click on Add More to create additional teams. If you scroll all the way down on the dashboard page, you will see a section labeled as Team Progress. Under Team Progress, you can select the teams you have created from the drop-down menu and view their progress, including individual student progress. This section updates based on the student's performance. You can retrieve the credentials for the teams you've created in 2 ways. To get the team credentials using the first method, click on Teams Progress in the dashboard. A PDF will be downloaded containing the credentials and progress information for all teams and every individual student. To get team credentials using the second method, scroll down the main dashboard and click on Team Logins button in the Team Progress section to receive an email containing the team's name, team login ID, and team password. If a teacher has created 2 teams, They will receive the login details for both teams after clicking Team Logins. Hope this video helped you in understanding how to create and manage teams. We are delighted to inform that you have signed up for this program and joined us on this journey of nurturing problem solving and innovation in youth. As a guide teacher, you will play a crucial role in supporting your students throughout the course. This portal provides various information modules and resources to assist you and your students on this exciting journey. We hope you and the students will have a fantastic experience with this program. If you have any questions, please refer to our FAQ section or contact our support team. We wish you all the best. Thank you for registering. Let's innovate and make a difference together.